Trasy Enterprises, a leading manufacturer of hot melt coating and specialty machinery, recently hosted Mr. Andrew Lee, Managing Director of US-based MBET Health, at its factory in Bhumi World, Bhiwandi. MBET Health is a global player in advanced wound care products, and Mr. Lee's visit marked a proud moment for Trasy Enterprises as it showcased its growing international partnerships. In a video released by the company, Mr. Pranav Trasy and Mr. Lucky Trasy are seen explaining the operations of a custom-built machine developed specifically for MBET Health. The demonstration highlighted the company's engineering expertise and focus on precision, reliability, and efficiency. Mr. Lee appreciated the technical capabilities of the machine and emphasized the importance of collaborations like these in driving innovation for the global healthcare sector. For Trasy Enterprises, the visit reaffirmed its reputation as a trusted Indian partner for world-class manufacturing solutions.